Hello, my name is Nini. What's your name?
Hello, my name is Evan.
Look at these pictures. They look the same, but some things are different. This teacher has blonde hair, but this teacher has brown hair. What other different things can you see?
Here is the map, but this picture is moon. This girl is crying, but this girl is happy. This boy are reading the book, but this boy are writing. Here there's bad picture, but here has well picture.
Okay, good. Now look at these pictures. They show a story. It's called Mom's Birthday. So just look at the pictures first. Okay. So here, Daisy and Fred can see their dad is giving their mom flowers and a card. It's her birthday, but they haven't got her a present. Now you tell the story.
Fred takes flowers from the garden. Daisy are drawing a card, and then go to the mom, and then she and he said, "Happy birthday, Mom."
Okay, good. Now look at these 4 pictures. One is different. The lion is different. A dolphin, a shark, a whale live in the sea, but a lion doesn't live in the sea. Now you tell me about these pictures. Which one is different and why?
The towel, because pineapple, banana and pear are fruit, but towel is not fruit.
And here?
The TV, the washing room, and brush and towel is the toilet. But TV is not in the bathroom.
Good. And here?
This is here, because in the desk there's all things, but the book is under the chair, desk.
Okay, good. Now, Evan, let's talk about school, okay? How do you go to school?
Walking, go to the school, or mommy and daddy take me to the school.
So what is your teacher's name?
Mrs. Kim.
Okay. And how many children are there in your class?
40.
So tell me about your favorite thing about school.
Play with my friend.
Do you like writing stories?
No.
Okay, thank you.